Today I am reviewing Chefman 1000W Microwave. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a straightforward countertop microwave that doesn't take up too much space, the Chefman 1.1 cubic foot 1000W microwave is worth considering. If you want to explore it or check the current price, you can find links below the video. What I like about this model is that it doesn't try to overload the experience with unnecessary features. It focuses on the things most people actually use, while adding a few useful conveniences that you don't always get at this price point. The first thing to look at is the 1000W cooking power. That's a solid level for a countertop microwave and should be enough for everyday jobs like reheating leftovers, cooking frozen meals, heating beverages, and making popcorn. You also get 10 power levels, which is important if you want more control than simply running everything at maximum power. Lower settings can be useful for gently warming food or melting ingredients, while the higher settings are better when you need faster cooking. The 6 preset programs are designed around common microwave foods. You get dedicated options for popcorn, pizza, beverages, vegetables, potatoes, and leftovers. These can save some button pressing when you're cooking something familiar. At the same time, I wouldn't expect preset programs to be perfect for every food or portion size. Microwave cooking varies depending on the amount and temperature of the food, so sometimes you'll still want to adjust the time yourself. The controls are another practical part of the design. You can enter cooking times directly with the number buttons, and there's a plus 30 seconds button for quickly adding extra time. That's one of those small features that become surprisingly useful. If your food needs another minute, you don't have to stop and program an entirely new cooking cycle. Chefman also includes a memory function, which is useful if you repeatedly prepare the same foods. You can program frequently used settings and access them more easily. This isn't a feature everyone will need, but if the microwave is being used several times a day, having favorite settings ready can make the process quicker. One feature I particularly appreciate is the mute option. Microwaves can be surprisingly loud when they beep at the end of every cycle, especially in a kitchen connected to a bedroom or living area. Being able to silence the sounds is convenient if you're heating something late at night or simply don't want constant beeping. There's also an eco mode that can disable the display when the microwave isn't being used. It's a small feature, but fits nicely with the compact, practical approach of this appliance. The black finish gives it a fairly clean appearance, and the exterior should be easy to wipe down when food splashes or fingerprints show up. Cleaning is another area where the Chefman has some practical advantages. The glass turntable is top-rack dishwasher safe, so you don't necessarily have to scrub it by hand every time something spills. The exterior can also be wiped down with a damp towel. Of course, like any microwave, cleaning spills quickly is still the easiest way to prevent stubborn buildup. Safety features are also included. There's a child safety lock on the handle, along with a lock mode that can disable the control panel. That's useful for households with children because it reduces the chance of someone accidentally starting the microwave or changing its settings. The main limitation is that this is still a countertop microwave, so you need enough space for on your counter. The 1.1 cubic foot capacity is reasonably compact, but it's not the right choice if you're regularly trying to fit very large dishes or oversized containers inside. Before buying, I make sure the interior dimensions work with the plates and cookware you actually use. I also wouldn't recommend this microwave to someone looking for advanced smart home features, convection cooking, or an appliance that can replace a traditional oven. This is a conventional countertop microwave, and that's really its purpose. Its value comes from making everyday microwave cooking simple rather than trying to do everything. For a dorm room, apartment, office kitchen, small household, or anyone replacing an older microwave, the combination of 1000 watts, 10 power levels, presets, memory, mute mode, eco mode, and child safety features is quite practical. The compact design also makes it easier to fit into kitchens where counter space matters. The Chefman 1.1 cubic foot microwave makes the most sense if you want reliable, everyday functionality without paying extra for features you may never use. It has enough power for normal cooking and reheating, useful shortcuts for common foods, and several thoughtful convenience features that improve the day-to-day experience. If you need a larger interior or more advanced cooking capabilities, I'd look at a bigger or more versatile microwave. But for straightforward countertop cooking, this Chefman model offers a sensible balance of size, power, controls, and convenience. The 1-year assurance and CTL approval also add some reassurance when considering it as an everyday kitchen appliance.